Welcome to the No Knead Dinner Roll course, where you will learn how to bake dinner rolls from scratch without having to knead. My name is Kalisha, and I've been baking bread in my home kitchen for the past 8 years. I graduated from one of the top culinary schools, and I also have the opportunity to teach culinary school at the college level to people of all ages from all different types of backgrounds. Now I'm sharing what I know with you. At the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently bake dinner rolls for your family and friends. In the course, we'll go over basic ingredients and tools you need to get started. I'll show you how to test your yeast to make sure that it's alive and well and you don't have any dinner roll disasters. I'll also show you how to mix your dough the easy way, where you eliminate the kneading step, and I'll show you 3 different ways that you can shape your dinner rolls. I created this course for the home baker who wants to learn how to bake bread without having to buy hard to find ingredients or expensive equipment like a bread maker or a heavy duty stand mixer. You don't need either of those things for this course. If bread baking has been hit or miss for you, or if you've never tried to bake bread before, then this course is for you. Enroll in the No Knead Dinner course today and amaze your friends and family with hot, soft, fluffy dinner rolls fresh from the oven. They're going to love it, and so are you.